Remember this. Your teacher looked you dead in the eye and said,
You won't always have a calculator in your pocket.
she was wrong about that, but she had absolutely no idea what was actually coming. That calculator in your pocket became a smartphone, and that phone took everything. Saturday morning, you were up before anyone else in the house because Rugrats was on, and missing it wasn't an option. You rode your bike with zero plan. The whole neighborhood was your world, and it was your biggest adventure. Friday night meant Blockbuster. One movie, that whole ritual of wandering the aisles, picking up boxes, reading the backs, putting them down. More exciting than anything streaming gives you today. You watched the Soviet Union fall, live, on a TV with an antenna. You smacked that TV to fix the picture, and it actually worked. You slammed a phone when you were angry. Try doing that with a touch screen. It's not the same. You played outside all day, and then the streetlights came on. No text, no call, just the sky turning orange and every kid in the neighborhood knowing. Time to go home. When did life stop feeling like that? And why does losing it still hurt? It's because your brain is still trying to protect this. Psychologists call it the peak end rule. Your brain permanently locks onto the period you felt the most free, and something called autobiographical disruption, when the world you were built for quietly disappears while you're still living in it. Your childhood was offline. Your adulthood is online. You tell your kids to get off the internet, and 20 minutes later, you can't put your own phone down. Nobody asked if you were ready, and some part of you never forgave the world for that. If you want music, you have to drive to a store, found it, and paid for it. That album meant something. Today, a song plays, you skip it in 3 seconds, forget it by tomorrow. You spent your whole life trying to remove labels, just be a person. And now everyone desperately wants one. Nothing costs anything anymore, so nothing feels like anything. You're not stuck in the past. You lived both worlds, and you know exactly what was lost in the trade. The bike ride with no destination. Boredom that built your imagination. That wasn't a simpler time. It was a fuller one. And send this to someone who was there, with you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because this channel is your 90s.